Minister w'ebyamagara Dr. Jane Lucy Acheng abirashagatirwe His Excellency William Pope, Ambassador wa United States of America mu Uganda, Diana Twine, Permanent Secretary w'ekitongole ky'ebyamagara n'abakuru ku rwo Ministry y'ebyamagara, kandi ogu asibwire ba Community Health Extension Workers 138 okurwa mu district ya Mbarara hamwe na City aharka mu kuzinmwebazyo.
As we commission the CHOOSE today, you will receive certificates. And these certificates shows that you have been trained and you have been empowered to begin your movements into the community.
Tushomese ba CHOOSE ilizoba ba graduatinga ba bakozi bitu. Konke chikuru munonga ecyatuma twagira aba CHOOSE n'abantu abakuza kukorera ombyanga bitu kuretera abantu bitu kwika amarwariro.
Okurigera His Excellency William Pope orientumwa ya President wa USA mu Uganda, America neijo kutendeka abashaho bebyaro abarukiko mutoro gumwe n'enkumina okwetorora Uganda yona kandi ngo babahereze n'ebikwato okubasa kurwanisa ndwara hanso mu byaro.
And today he has graduated as a community health extension worker.
And it's under our collaboration that the United States will be supporting the training of more than 14,000 community health extension workers across Uganda. This investment will create skilled and equipped workforce capable of preventing disease, of responding to outbreaks, and to protecting Uganda, the United States, and the entire world.
Tuwashaba umukораганеje n'aba VHTs. Ba VHTs tubarigireho bakiriyo no bakikore mirimo yabo nka volunteers konka mugumizemo mukore nabo tubase kureba ngo twacyobuhereza paka aha marware. Ekindi ntubashaba ngo mmanyi ngo mwaheza kushoma tumwacweka ba doctor kandi tumwacweka ba nurse. Imirimo yanyu neye mu community.
And Uganda, under the leadership of the Ministry of Health, has demonstrated a clear commitment to responding to public health outbreaks, including Ebola, measles, and COVID-19.
Ba CHOOSE bahirwe za certificates ebyo kukoresa birumo bugali, first aid kits, emibazi, press jackets, za boots hamwe n'ebindi. Kandi mu district ya Rukungiri ba CHOOSE 210 nabo batendekirwe okurinda no kurwanisa ndwara hanso mu byaro.
Treat our people with respect. Treat them with what? Talk to them nicely. They are our mothers and fathers, our relatives. Ngati bashabana absent nayo tijuwanzi ngahura. When supervising abantu supervising abakozi baitu barengo babaha marwari. Konkanza kongera sente omukurutinga abashaho.
Dr. Muchunguzi akasima orukukure by'amagara bwa district ya Rukungiri nawe nagira ngo Rukungiri ekine kizibu cyo mushwija gwensiri.
Maternal and perinatal deaths. There has been a significant reduction in maternal deaths, but the district registers a number of perinatal deaths attributed to lack of neonatal intensive care units in our facilities, capacity gaps, lack of equipment and appropriate infrastructure.
Kabashomesa ubashwaza uburyo buyonjo onane by'amagara ukawirengera yakirenda kwaratandiriza
aba bamazira mezi mukaga barukutendeka mu rumogu nde Evans Taremwa na Dan Basibye.